Hi everyone! In this lesson, we are going to explore how to build a line and stacked column chart. Now, this visual is a powerhouse combo chart. It's exactly what you want to use when you have two different types of numeric data that share a timeline, but you want to analyze them differently. For our sample superstore dataset, we want to look at our total sales numbers broken down by product category, but at the exact same time, track our overall profit performance on a secondary axis. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate over to the right side of the screen, to our Visualizations pane. Look closely at the second row of chart icons. Go ahead and find the icon for the line and stacked column chart. It looks like a few vertical bars with a line cutting right across them. Let's click that icon once, and a blank template placeholder will pop up right there on your report canvas. Go ahead and grab one of those corner handles on the canvas placeholder and stretch it out so we have plenty of room to see our data layout. Next, we need to populate this chart using our fields. Move your eyes further to the right, over to your data pane, and expand that orders table. We want to track this over time, so find your order date field. Go ahead and drag order date and drop it directly into the x-axis well inside your visualizations pane. Now for our column values. This is what will form our stacked bars. Locate your sales field in the data pane. Let's drag sales right into the column y-axis well. You'll notice a single, large, solid block representing your total sales over the years. To slice those columns up, let's locate the category field in our data pane. Go ahead and drag category and drop it right into the column legend well. Look at your canvas now. Your columns are beautifully split into distinct color segments for technology, office supplies, and furniture. But we're not done yet. We want that secondary line to track profitability. Go back to your data pane, find the profit field, and we are going to drag that straight into the line y-axis well. Look at that transition on your canvas. Power BI has generated a secondary axis scale on the right-hand side of your chart and mapped a continuous line showing your profit trends, cutting right through those stacked sales columns. Let's unlock the true depth of this chart by enabling our timeline drill down. Look at the top right corner of your visual and locate the icon with two downward arrows splitting into a fork, the Expand All Down One Level button. Go ahead and click that icon once to drop down to quarters, and click it a second time for a monthly view. Look at your canvas now. You have a continuous, highly detailed monthly view showing exactly how your product sales categories stack up alongside your net profit line, month by month. Let's make it look pristine. Come right back to your visualizations pane and click the second icon, the Format Visual brush. Expand the Data Labels section and toggle it to On. Now your viewers can see precise values instantly, without needing to hover. Go ahead and save your file, and you are all set up with your brand new line and stacked column chart. We successfully built a multi-metric dashboard visual. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thank you for walking through this feature with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.